Welcome to My Benefits Work, the mobile app for on-the-go access to your benefit program. In this video, we'll show you how to navigate the app so you can get the most out of your benefits. Let's get started. Download the My Benefits Work app from the App Store or Google Play. Just search for My Benefits Work, look for this logo, and download. When you open the app, it will take you through a few introduction screens. I'm going to flip through these pretty quickly to get to our next part, which is registration. To register for My Benefits Work, you'll need your group ID and member ID located on the front of your membership card. You'll also want to put in your email address, confirm that email address, enter a mobile phone number, and a password. When you're done, click Proceed. From here, you need to confirm your email address. So you'll email that code, and there it is. So from here, the easiest way to copy this is just to hover over the number and hit copy. I'm going to go back to the app and enter my confirmation code. Click confirm. Yay, now we are successfully registered. So from here, I can log in. I'm going to use the email that I used to register and the password that I just set. You're going to get a series of questions as to whether you want to allow things like notifications. I'm going to say yes. That will make sure you get reminders on when to use your benefits. And then now you'll see some tutorials that pop up. You can read through these or choose to skip by tapping the skip in the upper right-hand corner. Now here is your My Benefits Work dashboard. The benefits shown in this video are for illustrative purposes only and may not match the benefits in your membership. At the top of your benefits dashboard, you'll find blogs with tips and resources on how and when to use your benefits. Just click on the blog and start reading. New blogs are added regularly, so keep coming back to see what's new. You can personalize your dashboard by rearranging benefits in your preferred order. Click the settings icon next to My Benefits. Tap the lines next to the benefit and your benefits will show up in a new order. Now you'll see my benefit order has been rearranged. Now, if you want to use your benefits, you can use them directly from the dashboard by clicking the links underneath the name. So for instance, under Campus Navigator, I can click Call and a call will come right up. Or I can choose to tap into that benefit and learn more about it. I can click the down arrow to read everything I want to about this. I can access frequently asked questions. I can call, email, and do all the other things that will get me to this benefit. You will probably periodically receive notifications about your benefits and overall benefit program. These will show up as push notifications on your phone and will be housed under the notification tab on the app. Click to read notifications, mark them as read or unread, and delete them. Then, your Benefit Expert Navigator is available 24/7 to answer your questions. If Ben is unable to answer your question, he will direct you to call or message one of our live agents. You can also reach them directly by tapping Live Agent. The same membership card you hold in your hand is also available under the My Wallet tab. Flip the card to see your benefit logos and phone numbers and expand it to fit your screen. With the My Wallet feature, you can also add your insurance cards or any other cards to your wallet by taking a picture of the front and the back. The More tab gives you options to manage your account. Click the arrow next to your name to view your profile information. Scroll down to edit your information, add a dependent, and change your password. Your immediate family can also access your benefits. Click My Dependents to add a spouse or child to your benefit program. If you don't see a provider you'd like to use in our network, send us a recommendation. Click Recommend a Provider and fill in the requested information. We will reach out and ask if they'd like to join our network. Select your preferences for My Benefits Work by clicking User Settings. Choose whether to allow app notifications, use a fingerprint ID for easy login, and turn on location services. We're so glad you're using My Benefits Work and look forward to helping you access and use your benefits on the go. If you have any questions about your benefits, feel free to chat with Ben or contact our member support team.